everyone and welcome back to Techtorial. In this video, we are going to be introducing Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program that lets you create, format, and work with other people on a spreadsheet. Before we get on with the video, make sure you guys click on subscribe down below. Now let us get started. First, search for Google Sheets in your web browser. Once the website is loaded, you can see templates located on the top area that are ready for you to use. Click on Template Gallery to view more template options. This would save you a lot of time. There are templates that are designed for personal, work, project management, and education. However, if you want to create your own template, you can first click on the arrow on the left side of the screen. This would take you back to the dashboard. Click on the plus button to add a blank sheet, and here you can make your own templates. The sheets you have edited would be found under the templates area. Now let's get on to the basic features we can do with Google Sheets. Let us click on a blank sheet as an example for this video. The first basic feature is naming the sheet. You can name the sheet by clicking on the Untitled spreadsheet on the left corner. After that, you can type in any title you want and then click on Enter. Moving on, let us introduce you to fonts and basics. Like any other spreadsheet, you can change the font size and font. You can do this by clicking on the drop-down arrow beside them. You can also bold, italicize, strike through, or even color the text. You can do this by clicking on the icons next to the font size. The B icon is to bold your text, the I is to italicize, the A is to give your text colors, and you can also fill in the cells and put borders around the cells by clicking on the paint bucket-like icon and the window-like icon. Additionally, Google Sheets enables you to perform basic arithmetic calculations. Basic arithmetic is basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To start off an arithmetic function, you need to type on the equal sign. Then you need to select the cells you want to perform arithmetic on and type in the arithmetic symbol and then click on another cell. For addition, the symbol is plus sign. For subtraction, it's the negative sign. For multiplication, it is the asterisk. And for division, it is the slash. For example, if you want to add the numbers stored in B2 and B3, you are going to type in equal sign B2 plus B3. And if you want to subtract, then you can easily replace the plus sign with the negative sign. This goes on similarly for multiplication as well as division between those two cells. Next, we have functions. Functions are one of the best uses in Google Sheets. They can find the average of a list of numbers, the sum, the minimum and maximum values, and also the number of numbers in a list. These are the basic features we'll cover today, and it is a little bit more complicated than arithmetic. To find the sum of a list of numbers, type in sum, open bracket cell X, colon cell Y, close bracket. Example, sum open bracket B1 colon B3 close bracket. This function would add up all of the numbers that are held from cell B1 to B3. To find the average list of numbers, type in average open bracket cell X colon cell Y close bracket. Example, average open bracket B1 colon B3 close bracket. This function would find the average from all of the numbers that are held from cell B1 to B3. To find the count of a list of numbers, type in count open bracket cell X colon cell Y close bracket. Example, count open bracket B1 colon B3 close bracket. The count function counts the number of cells that contains numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments from cells B1 to B3. To find the max of the list of numbers, type in max open bracket cell X colon cell Y close bracket. Example, max open bracket B1 colon B3 close bracket. This function would find the highest value stored in cell 1, B1 to cell B3. To find the minimum of the list of numbers, type in min open bracket cell X colon cell Y close bracket. Example, min open bracket B1 colon B3 close bracket. This function would find the minimum value stored in cell B1 to B3. That's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching our video about Google Sheets. Hope our video guides you on getting around Google Sheets. And if you like our video, please leave us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to come back every week for a new tutorial video or turn on the post notification bell to make sure you are notified for every new upload. That's it for now. Bye!